Stop struggling with a messy, dirty home and start working smarter with these essential organization and cleaning tools. First up, we have a tool that saves your back and elbows from painful scrubbing sessions. This cordless electric spin scrubber is a total game changer for anyone tired of manually scouring grout and tiles. It features a convenient battery-level display, so you never run out of juice mid-clean, and 2 adjustable speeds to tackle different levels of grime. With 6 replaceable heads included, you can easily switch between cleaning your bathroom sink, windows, or deep-seated shower stains. This is a must-have for homeowners who want a deep clean without the physical strain of traditional scrubbing. Imagine effortlessly polishing your bathtub in minutes while the 360-degree rotation does all the heavy lifting for you. Next, at number 2, is a classic cleaning powerhouse that every busy household needs for quick daily pickups. This Black & Decker Dustbuster is the gold standard for handheld vacuums, offering cordless convenience that makes cleaning your car or stairs incredibly easy. It features a rotating slim nozzle that helps you reach into tight crevices where dirt and pet hair usually hide. The lightweight design means you can grab it for a 2-minute cleanup on the couch or furniture without dragging out a full-sized vacuum. Anyone with kids or pets should buy this to manage daily messes on high-traffic areas like rugs and upholstery. You will love how the charging station keeps it ready to go exactly when a cereal spill or dusty corner needs immediate attention. Now for number 3, we are solving your storage woes with a simple way to reclaim your closet space. These small vacuum storage bags are perfect for travelers and homeowners looking to reduce bulk by up to 80%. Made from durable, puncture-resistant material, they feature a double zip seal and a triple seal turbo valve to keep your items airtight and protected from moisture. You get 10 bags measuring 24 by 16 inches, plus a manual pump that makes them travel-ready for packing your luggage efficiently. Students or frequent movers should definitely grab these to keep blankets and off-season clothes organized and compact. Just toss your bulky sweaters inside, seal the bag, and watch them shrink down to fit neatly under your bed or in a carry-on. Coming in at number 4 is a clever solution for the tangled mess of wires cluttering your workspace. These magnetic cable clips allow you to organize your phone chargers, HDMI cables, and mouse cords with a secure, snapping magnetic lock. The PET sticky pad ensures these stay firmly attached to your desk or nightstand without leaving any nasty residue behind when you decide to move them. If you are tired of your charging heads falling behind the furniture, this 8-pack of crystal multicolor organizers is the perfect fix. It is an essential purchase for anyone working from home or looking to tidy up their car dashboard and nightstand. Simply stick one to your bedside table and you will always have your charging cable right where you need it, every single night. Moving to number 5, let's talk about maximizing that awkward, wasted space beneath your kitchen or bathroom sinks. This 2-pack of metal organizers features a heavy-duty 2-tier design with a pull-out bottom drawer for easy access to cleaning supplies. The height is fully adjustable, allowing you to work around plumbing pipes and tall bottles without any frustration. Busy families will appreciate how this turns a cluttered cabinet into a streamlined storage system for sponges, soaps, and pantry items. You should pick these up if you want to stop digging through the back of dark cupboards just to find a fresh bottle of dish soap. Just slide the drawer out to see every item you own at a single glance, saving you time and money on duplicates. For number 6, we have the ultimate tool for reaching those dusty spots that are usually impossible to clean. This microfiber duster features an extra-long pole that extends up to 100 inches, making it perfect for ceiling fans and high corners. The duster head is completely bendable up to 90 degrees, so you can easily clean the tops of cabinets or the blades of a fan without a ladder. It uses innovative split fiber technology to trap dust in hair rather than just pushing it around, and the soft silicone tip protects your walls from scratches. This is a must-have for anyone with high ceilings or blinds who wants to keep their home allergen-free. It makes cleaning large areas effortless, whether you are using it dry for a quick sweep or slightly moist for a deeper clean. And finally, number 7 is a beautiful way to bring both style and functionality to your dining or pantry organization. This 9-inch farmhouse oak lazy Susan is crafted from FSC certified wood and features a smooth steel ball-bearing mechanism for effortless rotation. It is the perfect size for keeping spices, condiments, or even skincare products easily accessible on your countertop or inside a cupboard. The attractive walnut finish makes it a great centerpiece for a dining table or a thoughtful housewarming gift for a friend who loves decor. Anyone looking to declutter their kitchen while maintaining a high-end aesthetic should consider adding this to their home. You can simply spin the tray to grab the salt or pepper during dinner without reaching across the table and knocking things over. Check out the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these amazing home products. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and organization tips. Comment below which of these tools you are planning to grab first, or let me know what you want to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.